Thursday morning until further notice. At 3:45 p.m. Tuesday, the river level was 6.4 feet. Flood stage is 8.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late Wednesday morning and continue rising to a crest of 9.3 feet Thursday morning. Impact at 9.0 feet. Two Bridges Road in Fairfield is subject to closures. Impact at 9.5 feet. Camp Lane and Marginal Road in Fairfield begins to flood. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.4 feet on December 23, 2018. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for the Passaic River at Little Falls from Wednesday afternoon to late Friday morning. At 3:30 p.m. Tuesday, the river level was 5.0 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Wednesday afternoon to a crest of 7.4 feet early Thursday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Impact at 5.5 feet. The lower end of East Holzman Street in Patterson, closest to the river, begins to flood. Impact at 6.0 feet. Portions of Hoffman Grove in Wayne sustain some nuisance flooding. Impact at 6.5 feet. Low-lying areas in the vicinity of Two Bridges in Wayne are flooded. The lower end of Bergen Street in Patterson, closest to the river, begins to flood. Impact at 7.0 feet. Minor flooding begins in Lincoln Park, Wayne, and Little Falls. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 7.3 feet on March 23, 2003.